Hi, I'm Ian Cull, the Technical Director of the Indoor Air Quality Association, bringing you an IAQA tech tip on managing chemicals on site. Ideally, every building would use products low in volatile organic compounds all the time. The reality is that most homes, schools, and commercial buildings will have some harsher chemicals on site. The typical reasoning is that there are just some jobs that call for harsher chemicals. In this IAQA tech tip, I want to give you 5 simple rules for successfully managing chemicals. Rule number 1, follow the labeled instructions. The label will tell you how to store the product, how to use the product, and other key details. Rule number 2, keep chemicals in the original container. If you must pour a chemical in a different container, make sure the new container is properly labeled. Rule number 3, purchase only the quantities needed for immediate use. You might get a great deal on a 50-gallon drum of a chemical, but if you only plan on using a small amount, you now have risks associated with storing the leftover amount. Rule number 4, never mix chemicals. Some combinations can be deadly, such as bleach and ammonia. Rule number 5, comply with all applicable regulations. For example, the U.S. Occupational Safety and Health Administration has a hazard communication standard which requires quick access to the chemicals material safety data sheets. There are many more rules for managing chemicals in buildings, but hopefully these 5 will get you headed in the right direction. If you would like to learn more about managing chemicals in your building, consider taking the IAQA University class titled Preventing IAQ Problems. Visit the IAQA website for more information.